Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you 5 solutions you can try if your HP Smart Tank printer is printing blank pages. Watch all 5 because the last one is guaranteed to help you 100%. Solution number 1. Open HP Smart application on any device connected to your printer, then tap on the printer's image to enter settings and find print quality tools and run print head cleaning. And the printer will clean its print heads and give you a test page. It takes about 30 minutes, so look at this page and follow the recommendations printed on it. You might also need to align the print head, and if the page is still blank or the printing quality is poor, let's proceed to solution number 2. And this is deep print head cleaning. To do this, go back to printer's settings menu and find advanced settings. Tap on that, then tap on OK in this window. If you see this, your connection is not private, scroll down, tap on advanced, scroll down a bit more and tap on proceed to your local IP address. This is your territory, nothing to afraid. So you need to find tools. You need to find utilities, print quality toolbox, and then run clean print head again. This is the same operation as in printing settings menu in the application. So run cleaning. And once it's done, you can see level 2 cleaning button over here. So just press this button. For me, it's very interesting what's going to happen because I've never used this feature. This time it taken about 45 seconds and it gives me the same page for further guidance. And surprise, we have level 3 cleaning as well, so let's run this operation. That taken about 50 seconds this time and we have the same page. We don't have any print head cleaning levels anymore, so tap on done. And solution number 3 is check if your printer is running the latest firmware version. To do this, stay in this menu, but tap on utilities to go back and tap on tools once again. Tap on tools and tap on printer updates. Tap on firmware updates and enter your printer's pin code. You can find this pin code under the ink access door, so just stick your finger into this notch, open this door, and here is your product label with your pin code. Also, you can print report to get the pin, but let's say forest. So enter that pin into this field, tap on submit, and let's zoom out a little bit and check for updates. Tap on check now. Well, if you have some updates to install, just do this and try to print something. And in the worst case scenario, if nothing else works, Mr. Hard Reset might just save the day. To do the hard reset, open the ink access door and press and hold the information button until all buttons on the control panel light up. Like this. And next, press and hold information and cancel buttons together until you see blinking Wi-Fi indicator. Like this. Now release the buttons, close the ink access doors, and the printer will restart and reset. Then reconnect it to Wi-Fi using HP Smart application and try to print something once again. Also, somebody might advise you to buy printer cleaning kit somewhere on Amazon and try to clean print heads yourself manually, but I strongly not recommend you to do this because it's not exactly easy to take apart a tank printer and then put it back together the right way, especially if you've never done it before. So if the methods in this video didn't help, it's probably time to take your printer to a service center. However, I hope your printer is fine now. I hope this video was helpful, and if yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. See you in the next video. Bye guys.